Going up the Marble River. Missed the tide though.
Back there.
The old Varney home site here. Beautiful rhododendrons. Great spot. Going up the Marble River. Got quite a long ways now. Still catching a bit of a back eddy. Who said you were allowed to stop paddling?
I'm taking it in.
This is so spectacular.
This is Colbert Inlet. We've just had busy seas coming in to Full Harbor. Down to the pier where there's a government dock, and we'll take a little walk up into town, see the famous whalebone, jawbone, and then we're gonna head back to our crab trap and then through the rapids.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, nice. We got a whole family, a community.
They like that
Beautiful.
fresh bait, don't they?
Coming into Hecate Cove, and this is Hidden Island. Okay, here's Randy getting all the fish gear organized, familiarized, and oh, he's got the electric downrigger out for the first time. There's the new cannonball that he made.
There's the lucky girl.
Oh, look at that beauty.
Halibut.
What is that, pink lady?
Halibut.
And we've got a pot on the boil here. Just about ready for me to put the crab in. Happy hour on Lucky Girl.
It's pretty nice out, eh?
Very nice out.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to crabs and orcas.
Yeah, it's been a pretty nice day.
And cheesies.
Oh, we got some cheesies. This is pretty sweet. Maybe we should show them what we're looking at. Sound good?
Turn it around. It's 6:30 p.m. and we're just having a little rest from all the crab shucking before we have our crab salad dinner.
The crab salad dinner?
And life is good on Lucky Girl.
Pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
How are you doing?
Awesome.
Used to be a hotel in here, right out here at this point, over 100 years ago.
How's it going out there?
Lovely. We're going to see how this game goes here.
Nobody wants to see a card game.
See these cards? This is called, what's it called, Chrissy?
See this card?
What's it called?
Spiteful and malicious.
Okay.
Okay.
Here,
Stop.
you can take it now. So, there's a 4, there's a 5, there's a 6.
Nobody cares.
There is a 7, and there is an 8. Champion again. Try that again. 5 o'clock in the morning. Nice and flat, calm. Already made a cup of tea.
See what happens when you get the GoPro out? You fish on. Where is she?
Well, way out there.
There's a flasher.
Am I netting in myself?
Well, let's see what it is.
I think it's a dinner fish.
There she is.
Do you want a dinner fish?
Oh, we have one.
Release it.
We can release it. Okay, what's happening in here?
Well, we're cooking the Lucky Girl breakfast after having a good morning, 3 nice springs. And now we're going to make up a mushroom and cheese omelet.
Oh.
Chrissy's prepared all the other food. Chrissy's prepared all the food. She got the bread, the eggs. We got the jam, raspberry jam, and cheese.
We got the
And
chef.
we got the chef.
There's also the fish slayer, also the fish cleaner, and the fish finder.
Okay, good. Want to see the secret ingredients? There
Okay,
you go.
let's see the secret to this Lucky Girl omelet. What's happening now? What you got there?
Got cheese in there, nice cheddar cheese, then mushrooms, and now, oops, and just put an air pocket there. Lucky Girl having the Lucky Girl omelet.
It is delicious.
And how's your breakfast view?
Pretty darn nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool right here by the rocks. Waves are breaking, sea otters floating. It's awesome.
Oyster catchers singing.
There we are,
Lucky Girl in the mist.
Breakfast Cove. Time to go for explore
Breakfast at lunchtime.
some cool places. girls heading out for a little bit of halibut fishing. There's the cormorant home. Well, we're out offshore. You get a bucket of fish. Looking at a halibut biting right now. Is it? Nope. Maybe bottom. Brooks Peninsula. A little bit of a southeast coming up and rain for tomorrow.
How's it going out here?
Hello. Oh, I'm in my office. I'm at work right now. Beautiful little spot to fish though. Looks nice.
We are off Gooding Cove.
Another boat went in, started fishing, so I figured must be the spot. Sure looks pretty here.
You got your good uniform on.
Yeah, it's wet coast summer.
And the fog has just come in. Don't worry, we're right against shore. How's fishing?
Well, nothing yet.
Look at
Looks fishy, don't you think?
look where you are.
Looks very fishy.
Very fishy indeed. Looks a little wet too. Oh, they're hooting over there. They're just showing off. What you got there?
He's still alive.
A little bit higher. There we go. A little bit higher. Thank you.
Double header.
Double header. Lucky girl. Strikes again. 2 strikes again. As a matter of fact. Woohoo! Just as we were having tea time. Okay. Here we go.
That's a fish.
That is a fish. Fish on. Anyone watching where we're going? That's all good.
You want to slow it down a bit, please? I can just keep videoing it. Oh, it's way out there.
We're still off Gooding Cove. Just been cruising the bay, up along the rocks.
Swimming towards us.
What you got there, hun? Nicely played.
We'll throw it neutral.
Hey,
Actually, I'll net him.
hold that.
No, it's okay.
There he is.
That was it.
That's our last salmon. Woohoo!
Okay, the front nest is looking pretty cozy. It's all organized. Chrissy's organized. She got her hair
I'm
combed.
sending Jim a picture of the double header.
Yeah, that was an awesome. And we're just drying everything out because, well, it's misty, but yeah, we've got the classic little wood stove going. Drying all the clothes and having a couple of rattlers and some snacks. Oh, and I know Paula always likes the snack drawer, which has got, well, it's got everything you could want on it, including cookies.
We are running out of chips, but we're going home tomorrow, so it's okay.
We're what? We're going home tomorrow?
We're going home tomorrow.
Because we run out of chips.
Because we're running out of chips.
Okay.
Just pulling into Port Alice. This is the north end, top end. Apartment building. Trailer waiting for us.
Isn't that a great tide?
Randy's happy about the tide. Well, here she is. Randy's getting her ship shape for the journey home.